Okay, a few days ago we made a curtain using the sewing machine, and I told you guys that the serger would actually be faster to do this. So I am going to make a curtain using my serger, and we're going to do it, basically we're just going to do it straight through. So here we go. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to serge this edge. Notice all I did was just serge straight line down that edge to take the selvage off. And I'm going to trim my threads as I go. So that's off of there. And then I'm going to do the other side the same way. Serge that edge right off. I'm going to serge right straight along the bottom because that works just fine for a curtain edge. Now you can feed your threads back in if you want to. I'm going to cut mine off and put a drop of fray check right there at the ends where the threads join, and I'll never have a problem with them. I'm going to cut these threads off, and what I'm going to do is called a blind hem along the top. This is going to be for my rod pocket. So what I'm going to do is I want a 2-inch pocket, and I'm going to fold it over 2 inches like this, all the way down. And then I'm going to turn that back so that the pocket is folded towards the back, and I'm just going to go right straight down through there, and I'm going to put in what's called a blind hem. You don't have to cut off a lot of this edge, you just want to do a little bit of it, but you want to make sure that your fabric meets, because this forms the hem along the edge of your pocket. I'm just making sure that I keep everything even. You can iron this in if you want, but I just do it by hand. The reason I do it by hand is because I've done it like this a million times. I'm just making sure that everything is straight. I think I told you guys in the other video I could make a curtain faster with my serger. I can. I'm smiling, you guys can't see me, but I'm kind of half laughing. I did a 20-minute long Sewing for Beginners video, showing you how to make curtains using your sewing machine. And I don't know, 3-5 minutes maybe. So now I've got my pocket along the top of my curtain. My valance is ready to be hung up, and it's hemmed all 3 sides, and the pocket is in there. So let's get you a better picture of what this looks like. And there is our 5-minute curtain ready to go up on our window. Thank you for watching.